Hello everyone, welcome to Team Developers channel. And in this short video, I will show you how to install or transfer Fortnite without re-download. So I suggest you to watch complete video and do not skip any part because it's easy but confusing. So if you are new on this channel, then hit subscribe button and also don't forget to like the video. So without wasting time, let's start our video. So let's go to Epic Game Launcher to see Fortnite is installed on my PC or not. So as you are watching, Fortnite is not installed on my PC. So after minimizing Epic Launcher, we go to this PC where we already copied Fortnite folder in which our game is installed, and you can get this folder from your friend who already installed Fortnite on his PC. So now go back to Epic Launcher and click on Fortnite. After that, here you have the option to select the folder in which you want to install Fortnite. So now just click on install, and as you're watching here, Fortnite is installing. After downloading 12 MBs or like 15 MBs, you just pause downloading. And then go back to this PC and copy these two folders from that Fortnite folders and paste them into the new folder which you have already created to install Fortnite and select it in Epic Launcher. And after pasting, now go back to Epic Launcher again and now right click on Fortnite. So as you're watching, it is showing that it's installing now. So now just click on pause and close this downloading. As you are watching, Fortnite is verifying. So wait for a while to complete this verification process. So after verification, it starts installing, and after installation you have option of launch. So when you click launch, your game will start automatically. That's all for this video. If you like this video, then hit like button. Also don't forget to subscribe Team Developers channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.